Good morning. Today is December 8th, 2023, and it is around 9:37 a.m. The market has just opened and taken a look. It appears that QQQ is down just a little bit on the open. It has been doing this for the past couple of days. So let's see, if we take a look at the 5-day range, it's kind of been starting down and then working its way back up. That's kind of the trajectory right now. And it's because at the end of the day, there is not much going on and still a path to the all-time 52-week high. And I say a path because it doesn't necessarily mean it is going to hit it. Right now, there hasn't been a lot going on here nor there. I think later today, the Fed comes out with some new options, so the bond prices could definitely reflect what direction the stock market is going to be heading in, and what the market is really trying to figure out is, when is the Fed going to decrease rates? At the end of the day, that's what this is all about. I can't see the future. I believe that as I said, we do have that path to the 52-week high, but I don't think that it's going to be permanent, at least not in the next 3 months. There's nothing really that good that would allow that to happen. But the goal here is not to be a fortune teller. The goal is to just see what's happening in the market and react appropriately. So with my portfolio at the moment, if I do a quick refresh here, you'll see that I am at 88% exposed. So with only using 29% of the funds, with another 71% basically in cash, mainly with the money market fund, which currently earns about 5% a year. And the goal is to just sit back, wait, allow this exposure to increase as the market goes higher. If it goes lower, so let's say it cuts through this green line, which is a 20-day moving average line, what I would probably do is, on that cut, I would watch it further. So similar to here, it cut through, but then on the rebound back through this line, I may add just one more purchase to just top it off at 100 and then let it go from there. All right, so I'm not too far away from getting to 100 and then letting it run. So what happens if the market keeps going? Then I'll be looking at this 130%. Really, what I'm truly looking at though is the 27% TQQQ versus I want it to be 30% max. So at maybe around 35%, that is when I would start shaving a little bit off the top. But I think we're still a ways from there. So I'm just going to leave everything as is, watch the market, see if it cuts through this line at any time, and prepare for one more buy if possible. So that's it. I expect it to be a fairly quiet couple of weeks, especially with the holidays around the corner. Everybody's probably shoring up their balance sheets for the financial reporting. And then in the new year, that's when I expect, things to really start popping again. All right. So that's all I have for today. Have a great weekend.